Welcome to KRTI Consulting, where we empower your success with tailored transformative solutions. Let's embark on this inspiring journey toward excellence together. Empowering education through technology, KRTI proudly introduces Educator, a world-class LMS solution recognized globally for excellence. With a proven track record endorsed by leading educational institutions, Educator has set industry standards and earned prestigious accolades. Its legacy of success spans continents and cultures, establishing Educator as a trusted name in education technology. Our platform has transformed countless institutions, thanks to innovative educators and leaders who have embraced the power of Educator. Mission: to empower education through cutting-edge technology solutions. We are dedicated to fostering a dynamic and inclusive learning environment that unlocks the full potential of learners and educators. Our commitment to excellence drives us to create innovative tools and strategies, transforming traditional education into a collaborative, engaging, and accessible experience. Through our unwavering focus on quality, adaptability, and social responsibility, we aim to shape a future where knowledge knows no bounds, and every individual can access the education they need to thrive. At KRTI, we are established leaders in delivering Educator, a world-class LMS solution. Redefining the future of learning with Educator. Envision a future where your academy leads and excels. As the education landscape evolves, new challenges arise, demanding a comprehensive tech-savvy solution. Educator LMS is here to meet that need. More than just a system, Educator is your key to unlocking your institution's potential and a strategic partner in transformation. Gain a competitive edge. Establish your academy as a leader in modern education and training. Achieve global reach with Educator's LMS. Break down geographical barriers and attract students from around the world. Enhance brand identity. Customize the LMS to reflect your academy's colors and branding. Join us in shaping the future of learning with Educator. Pioneering learning, harnessing the full potential of Educator LMS. At the heart of Educator's success lies its adaptable, advanced open framework. This open-source nature unlocks limitless possibilities for customization and expansion, allowing Educator to grow alongside your academy. Unlike one-size-fits-all solutions, Educator evolves with the changing landscape of education. It's not just a system, it's your canvas to create the ideal learning environment. Free from the constraints of closed proprietary systems. Embrace the future of education with Educator, where your vision can come to life. Key features for accelerating your academy's success. User-centric experience, an intuitive platform that boosts engagement. Customization and scalability. Tailor Educator to your unique needs and grow with your academy. Mobile learning. Engage learners anytime, anywhere on their terms. Data-driven insights. Optimize training programs with precise measurements. Multilingual and global reach. Effortlessly connect with a diverse worldwide audience. Security and compliance. Safeguard your data while adhering to industry standards. Collaboration and social learning. Foster interaction and knowledge exchange. Gamification. Enhance engagement through interactive experiences. Assessment and grading. Streamline evaluation processes for efficiency. Content management. Centralize and effectively manage course materials. Integration. Seamlessly connect Educator with your existing tools. Data privacy and security. Ensure the highest level of data protection. Unlock your academy's potential with the powerful features of Educator. Best Educator. The best education is here. Become an achiever with us. We are dedicated to nurturing minds and fostering innovation, creating a beacon of educational excellence. Here, learners embark on transformative journeys. We believe a prosperous future starts with access to top-tier education. Join us in shaping success through exceptional educational experiences. Types of education. Education varies based on individual learning styles and goals. Let's explore 3 key types. On-demand education, a flexible, self-paced approach that allows learners to access courses anytime, anywhere. Live education. Known as synchronous learning, it involves real-time interaction with educators in a structured setting. Hybrid education. Combining on-demand and live learning, this approach offers a balanced blend of flexibility and scheduled sessions. Educational philosophies include on-demand education, which allows self-paced, accessible, and customizable learning for global reach. In contrast, Live education focuses on real-time engagement with structured curricula and personalized support. The blended approach combines both, offering tailored learning paths and flexibility to meet diverse needs. Educational psychology focuses on helping educators develop effective teaching methods tailored to students' developmental stages. By applying its principles, educators can enhance student success and well-being. This field explores cognitive, social, and emotional processes that affect learning, providing valuable insights for creating engaging environments and supporting diverse learning needs. Challenges in education include difficulties in learning, often caused by disabilities, resource shortages, or mismatches between teaching methods and learning styles. Far school distance affects students in remote areas, limiting access to educational facilities and exacerbating inequality. Additionally, limited resources and teaching styles, such as lack of textbooks, technology, or appropriate teaching methods, further hinder students' learning and comprehension. Teacher training and professional development are enhanced by LMS platforms, offering flexibility, personalization, and data-driven insights to improve teaching quality. Educators benefit from flexible and accessible learning, accessing training materials anytime, eliminating the need for rigid schedules. With personalized learning paths, LMS platforms allow teachers to tailor their development by selecting courses and resources that align with their individual needs and goals. The role of parents in education is crucial to a child's success. LMS platforms empower parents by providing real-time access to their child's progress, fostering collaborative learning through shared resources and active participation. Additionally, communication and feedback are streamlined, allowing parents to stay in touch with teachers, receive updates, and offer feedback, creating a more supportive learning environment. Student motivation is boosted by engaging in interactive content on LMS platforms, including multimedia presentations and gamified learning modules. With progress tracking and feedback, students can monitor their progress and receive immediate responses on assignments. The flexible learning and autonomy offered by LMS allows students to control when and where they study, enhancing their ownership of the learning process. Classroom management is enhanced through LMS platforms, simplifying administrative tasks while improving communication and collaboration. Streamlined administrative tasks like attendance tracking, grading, and assignment submission are automated, reducing educators' workload. Additionally, enhanced communication and collaboration fosters interaction through centralized announcements, discussion forums, and direct messaging between students and teachers. Best teaching ever given is achieved through the seamless integration of technology, especially LMS platforms, creating dynamic, interactive, and adaptive learning environments. This transformative approach fosters critical thinking, collaboration, and lifelong learning. By leveraging LMS, educators can deliver content, assess progress, and engage students in ways that align with their individual learning styles, unlocking the full potential of both educators and students. Our best technology stack includes server-side, Apache or Nginx with Moodle for handling application logic, database, MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MariaDB, front-end, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, back-end, PHP for streamlined development, content delivery, Amazon CloudFront or Cloudflare, security, SSL TLS protocols, learning content, SCORM and XAPI, search, Apache Solr for indexing, monitoring, EC2 and New Relic, APIs and mobile, Moodle APIs and custom mobile solutions. Getting live with Educator LMS, our 4-step process ensures a smooth LMS implementation. Preparation, set goals, analyze needs, review content and budget. Customization, tailor branding, migrate content and integrate systems. Onboarding, train educators, onboard students and test with feedback. Implementation, roll out in phases, support users, and assess performance. Introducing our user licenses, tailored to meet your needs. Choose from 3 packages. Basic at $8 per user per month, featuring course enrollment, progress tracking, and mobile learning. Our most popular Pro at $6 per user per month offers advanced progress tracking, collaboration tools, and certification badges. For the best value, Plus is just $5 per user per month, including unlimited course access, personalized learning paths, and comprehensive support. Start unlocking success today with the plan that fits your goals. The best LMS, Educator offers a reliable and secure learning management system built on a robust tech stack that prioritizes scalability and data protection. Featuring the Moodle framework and utilizing AWS for cloud infrastructure, our LMS ensures efficient resource management and security. With strong security measures in place, we protect user data and provide peace of mind for clients. Hosted on a private cloud, our LMS can adjust resources to meet demands, ensuring high availability and redundancy. Learning anywhere, anytime. Mobile devices are essential in today's education. Learning management systems, or LMS, with mobile features are transforming how we access and engage with educational content. Empowering learning on the go. With mobile LMS apps, learners can access course materials and assignments from anywhere, whether on the bus, in a coffee shop, or at home. Enabling engaging learning experiences, touch-based interactivity. The iPad's touch interface allows learners to easily tap, swipe, and pinch, enhancing engagement. Access to rich media. With high-quality display and audio, iPads are ideal for rich media content like HD videos and interactive simulations. Transforming learning experiences. Our user-friendly LMS features an intuitive interface for easy navigation and rich content delivery, including multimedia resources. It fosters collaboration among students and educators while providing advanced analytics for valuable insights into student performance. Assessment and evaluation. Assessments are crucial for data-driven decision-making that enhances student success. By measuring learning outcomes, we optimize educational programs and ensure the best learning experiences. Our focus on data-driven evaluation supports continuous improvement in education. Thank you for your attention. Get in touch with us, schedule a personalized demo today by scanning QR code, book a meeting, hubspot.com/shiv19, or you can also get in touch with us at 9494-051717 or email us at hello@krti.io. Visit our website, krti.io, and don't forget to connect with us on LinkedIn at KRTI and other social media platforms.